here's our chicken tractors. And they're just basically, just like everybody else's chicken tractors, we use 2x2s to build a frame. And they've got some either 1 inch or 1x2 inch hardware cloth. I would like the 1x2, but they didn't always have it. Build a little frame for a bucket. Have some little automatic waters there. And then we just have a hinged roof. And we were dragging them, but I hadn't quite trained the chickens. And when we lift up the one end to drag, they run to the other end, and then they want to try to get smushed under. So what we've been doing, which is kind of a pain, is instead of pulling the tractor every day, so we'll lift, like tomorrow, we'll open this, and then we will carry them over, and we'll put them in that one. And then we will drag that one down, and then tomorrow we'll take from here to put to there, and we'll drag that one down, and then we'll put from here to over here. We'll drag that one down, and we'll just go down the row. But it is working real nice. They are growing. They are healthy. They love their little waterer. So I think what I need to do is I think I'm going to put some, like a big PVC pipe, cut it and stick it under there to kind of push them ahead, and then maybe put some wheels on here. The idea was to get 2 people lifted up a carrot where it's not quite on the ground, but you know, Jimmy's always busy taking care of the other animals, so we never quite get to that. But they weren't expensive, and I didn't make a suscovich style tractor or a Saladin style tractor. They're bigger, but I got these smaller because here's my trench with my elderberries that's got the fish guts in there, and here's where I'm going to put another trench with fish guts and then elderberries. So this is ended up going to be a, you know, an orchard of elderberry bush or shrub. So I wanted them small so we can go down the elderberry forest, right? Or between the grape arbors. Here's William coming with feed. What are we doing, William?
Feeding the chickens.
Feeding the chickens.
You mind opening
Let's see how you do that. How do you do that? Oh.
So, first up, you take one of the feeders and you put it in one of them, and then they all jump on it. And then with that, and then you take half the scoop and pour it on the ground. And then it's half and half.
Well, that's kind of a waste. I think that's what you do it. I don't think that's how you were showed to do it.
Mama told me to use half of it and put that on the ground.
Okay. Well, they sure do like that, don't they?
Yeah.
Now, if you don't move them every day, look what happens. It kills the grass. You got to move them every day, right? Or it kills the grass. Doesn't take very long.
And this is
But if you do move it every day, you can tell they've ate through the grass, but they fertilized it a good bit too and not tore it up.
This is
Yeah. So now you got to get some water, right?
Yep.
All right. Well, you water it. What do you say, buddy?
Oh shoot! Well, this is already full.
Oh shoot, Daddy would say. What do you say, buddy? Bye.
Oh, by William Tell.
I meant like, see you later.